You roll it! You roll it away! I amuse myself.
A lot of people that'll tell you that's just stop being stupid.
Right.
But in a place that's isolated,
don't
a place that doesn't have a lot of
wonderful
stuff.
I was hanging with my kids. My son's going through this I don't know, this euphoric period.
There was an exit dive down there. Yes, I think it is, yep.
Coming from the phone booth. Why was Susie back in the hospital? Fuck you. Go back to his room. Fall back on bed.
We still saw a couple of lame musicals on Broadway, and we still had drinks in the bar at the Carlisle. We still would go to P.J. Clark's, where I played songs in the jukebox I knew he'd love, and then I attended Hartford and came to Manhattan on weekends. They left whatever bar we had been at with us, and we piled into the limousine, which took us to a party my father knew at Trump Tower.
If you consider this an exit, I really don't, but what would you call this? Jug handle dive? Right turn dive? You're kind of close to that guy. No headlights guy.
Who's doing his thesis on Joe Orton. You wanted to stop, but...
Nope. Yep, get on camera too. Yep, there you go. Nope. Also, the twofer. Oh well, you guys both get to be in the video. You didn't stop.
Pacing, drinking from a
red light runner. Red light runner.
Can only come up with one.
Because there's going to come a point, if he's not there already, where his son's going to feel responsible for making sure dad doesn't feel anxious.
Left turn from the
And that
straight
is a
lane.
burden that no sixth grade.
That's kind of ballsy. Toyo turds. That away from me. No, you can't take it. No, you did not stop. I don't think that guy stopped either. Oh well, they're in the video. And alcohol. Left turn regret up there. Yeah, it's like, how would you not know that the left lane turns left? I mean, seriously. Why are you turning right when you got a red light and there's cars coming? Idiot! You know, you should have your headlights on because it's really, really foggy out.
Just go to sleep once the sun goes down, like we're supposed to do as humans.
No stop.
It'll be a nice early night tonight. Josh was shocked.
Set it down in fucking... Providence, Rhode Island, so they wouldn't have a fucking problem. And I know that there's a Scorsese.
Put your phone away. Stop it. No, you still got the phone in your hand, and you're driving away. Nissan driver.
But you have to say, okay, guys, look, I was wrong, and here's the reason why I was wrong. This is what I thought was going to happen at the time.
Hello?
I will try to do better
Really?
next time. Now, the one thing actually coordinating in this group, and each day they would come out with new ridiculous claims, and this was happening
Left turn regret.
for years.
Step by step. Praise on my mind. Step by step. Pedestrian, pedestrian, dum 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 pedestrian. No stop.
The guy from NYU burped in his sleep. There was vomit, ooze,
No
all
stop.
over Lorna's trash can. But well, maybe she would. can't stop thinking.
No, stop.
But Victor's in my hair. I turned the volume up. That station. Top 40. Static. But then I hear a song.
You were behind the line and it turned red.
It was a dumb
I
song.
really can't describe. I guess you call it a kimono. Maybe, but shorter.
Meso left.
Sweatshirt over it.
Tesla.
It's bulky, but you can still tell the...
Worry about his mom with breast cancer. Thank God.
No, turn on red.
I'm
Douchebag.
changing majors. I say. Look what I've done.
You guys are kind of in the middle of nowhere, aren't you?
Hey, whoa.
They were all looking at the dance floor, not in the hills.
Dressed in black and exhibiting a dry yet caustic wit. And I'll be blown away by how
Really,
nondescript
dude?
he is. But can you remember, really, what Victor looked like? No, you can't. I hate it when you're sarcastic. He pushes the cat off the bed and starts to dress. He reaches for his underwear.
No one, you idiot! He yells. I was only joking, calm down. Can't you take a
What the
joke?
hell's going on up
I
there?
ask. Don't people from the...
Really? You couldn't figure out that the left lane that starts way back there turns left here. The hell are you doing? People.
Sorry for calling. I said. Sunday. Bye. He hangs up.
Red light, run. Screw Barrow.
A place that reminds me of the frozen food section of Gelson's. A place that reminds me of home.
No, stop.
I go to an Elvis Costello
The head waiter rush over to our table and ask if anything is wrong, or perhaps we want to check.
Well, nice cutoff.
Everything's fine.
Especially in this weather.
Mrs. Jarrett says, an actual
composure. She sloppily lights a cigarette, and Vittorio pours himself what little red wine is left in the bottle. How long have they been sitting?
At least clear your rear window, Toyo Tart. Yeah, watch all that. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, what was that for?